Hey everyone, today I'm going to review the Cloaked app, explain its features, pricing, pros and cons, and share user feedback to help you decide if it is worth using in 2026. So Cloaked is an all-in-one privacy service that helps you avoid sharing your details online. It lets you create mask email addresses and virtual phone numbers for websites, stores, and apps so that messages and calls can reach you, but your contact information stays private. If one alias starts receiving spam, you can disable it without changing your real email or phone number. The service includes automated data removal, spam call protection, dark web monitoring, a VPN, a password manager, and up to $1 million in identity theft insurance. Virtual cards are listed, but they are invite only and may not be available to everyone. So for pricing, the individual plan is $14.99 per month. The couple plan is $19.99 and the family plan is $29.99. With annual billing, the individual plan costs $119.99 per year. The couple plan costs $174.99 and the family plan costs $299.99 per year. All plans can be canceled anytime. And many users like having privacy tools in one place. Positive reviews mention fewer spam calls, useful aliases, and control over personal information. However, some users report setup issues, slow support, cancellation problems, and trouble receiving verification codes through virtual numbers. So others worry that leaving the service could mean updating many accounts. So overall, Clocked may be useful if you receive a lot of spam and you want several privacy tools together. But still, it may not be ideal for important accounts that depend on reliable verification messages, so starting with a monthly plan may be safer before paying for a full year. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.